We are tired of empty promises. We are tired of frozen posts. We are tired of overcrowded classrooms. We are tired of unsafe schools. We are tired of teachers being treated like disposable tools.
Lenyunyana ithi uhlelo lokongewa kwemali kwezemfundo lukhinyabeza abafundi nezikole njengoba zingagcwaliswa izikhala zothisha nengqalasizinda inganakekelwa ngenxa yokugodlwa kwemali.
We are here to bury neoliberalism because neoliberalism has caused crime in this country. Neoliberalism has caused our children to take nyaope because our children do not get the support they are supposed to get because of austerity measures.
Lemashi yasekwa yiKhosatu.
This is a community march because the issues that SATU is raising are not just issues of teachers. They are not just issues of educators, they are societal issues. And we are here at Treasury, which is very core in how we're going to implement the manifesto, in how we're going to implement the State of the Nation address of the President. Look, we're dealing with issues of overcrowding. We're dealing with issues of the infrastructure that is in a decay state in our country. We're dealing with kids that are still unable. When there are floods in South Africa, they can't reach to school. You have educators that are unable to get to school because when there are floods, for example, in KwaZulu-Natal, the bridges are collapsing and kids, particularly the black kids from the black community, they are deprived of the quality education.
ISATU ithi idumele ngokuthi umnyango wemfundo ephakeme awuthumelanga muntu kuzokwemukela uhlu lwezikhalo zayo.
The Department of Education and Training is so arrogant that they have not sent a person here.
Inyunyana inikeze leminyango emibili insuku engamashumi amabili kuba iphendule kwekhala ngakho.